Namaste everyone. I'm a trained yoga teacher teaching yoga since the past 22 years. But at the age of 12, playing on a pull-up bar, I fell, hit the marble floor and injured my lower back L4, L5. Luckily, no broken bones, but excessive pain. That's when my journey of yoga began. I started practicing the asanas that strengthened my core and supporting muscle groups. Lift head and chest up, elbows in, shoulders back, pelvis on the floor and hold. Place palms below thighs, lift legs as high as you can, knees straight and together and hold. On your fours, lift into V shape, press body in and heels push towards the ground and hold. On your fours, inhale, look up, dip middle back down towards floor, pointing bottom up towards the ceiling. Then, rounding your back, look towards your navel and repeat this 3 to 5 times. Keeping hands by your side or below bottom, lift legs up 90 degrees, then down and lift again. Repeat this 10 times. Kapalbhati is a powerful detoxifying kriya done by exhaling out from your nose, silent and automatic in-breath and pumping action of the stomach like this. Bhramari Pranayama is done by placing index and middle finger on the eyes and closing your ears with the thumb. Then inhale through the nose and exhaling produce a humming sound from the back of your throat, mouth closed like a buzzing bee. I always used one of these mudras for meditation. Gyan mudra, thumb and index finger touching, making a circle, other 3 fingers straight, or Buddhi mudra, thumb and little finger touching, middle 3 fingers straight and together. Both these mudras help in improving concentration and mental clarity. These were some of my yoga practices that have strengthened my back immensely and have enhanced my life in a big way. As a yoga teacher, I hope to inspire the youth of today to be able to start practicing yoga from a young age so that they can enjoy its benefits for their entire lifetime. This was my life, my yoga. But I truly believe that yoga should be a way of life for everyone. Namaste.